Hi everyone, it's Miss Finnegan here, and today is Friday, April 17th, and it is our 19th day of flexible learning. And I'm so excited to announce it is our very first Friendship Friday. I'm so excited to explore Google Meet with everyone and get everybody connected with their friends. So let's start off our day like we always do with our quote of the day. Today's quote is, "Friends are like stars. You can't always see them, but you know they're always there." Could there be a more perfect quote for today? Even though our friends aren't with us every day like they would be when we're in school, we know our friends are there, and we are going to absolutely know our friends are there when we get to see them today. So remember, just because you don't get to see your friends like you normally see them doesn't mean that they're not still your buddies. Okay? And that includes me. I'm still your buddy, right? Okay. Let's take a look at our agenda today. Today, we are going to continue working on definitions and vocab. It was all about vocab this week for reading. For writing, we're going to be writing conclusions. For math, you're going to complete your final warm-ups and worksheets. And in social studies, it is a fun Friday activity. You're going to love the social studies activity today. So, before we get started looking at that, I want to just show you. One thing I want you to do today is click on this new little icon you'll see right here is the Google Meet icon. And that Google Meet icon, the link will take you to this. And this is our Google Chats slideshow. And here's our Friendship Fridays. I want you to check for your name. Group 1 is going to meet with me at 10:30. That's Jonah, Akarsh, Jeremy, Lucas, Ethan, and Holden. When it's 10:30 exactly, that link will turn blue and you'll be able to click on it. Group 2 is Matthew, Mackenzie, Julian, Van, Braden, Samay, and George. When it is 11 o'clock, Group 2, this link will turn blue and you can click on it. Group 3, Violetta, Sydney, Sarah, and Julia. When this link turns blue, please click on it at 11:30. And then last but not least, Group 4, Charlotte, Juju, Ashiria, Val, Abby, and Kate will be joining us. And that will be at 12 o'clock, and that link will turn blue at 12. Now, something very important. Please do not join a friendship group that is not yours. If you do, I will be asking you to please politely leave and go back to work. You get one friendship group, and if you are disappointed that one buddy is not in there that you didn't or that you wanted to see, remember I said we're going to be doing different friendship groups eventually, and we're also going to be morning meeting Google Meets on Monday. So you'll be able to see everybody, okay? More information about that will come soon. Okay, so going into reading today, I will show you my quick example. You're going to be defining the words that you've been using all week. So I use the words elated, parcel, and wretched. So elated means extremely happy. I wrote the definitions for my other words, and then I used it in a sentence. My students were elated to see their faces on Google Meet. I thought that was going to be a pretty appropriate sentence. Now, let me take you over to our writing slides. Today we are going to be writing conclusions. If you go to your daily directions, it's actually a little fun video on writing conclusions. And then if you go to your very own conclusion slide, there's me again, Gavin.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Finnegan again, and here's what we're going to be doing today.
And you can watch the little video of little tiny Miss Finnegan in the corner of your computer screen. And then you'll be typing your questions. Hey, some of you might be thinking, wait a minute, I wasn't done with my subtopics. That is okay if you are not done. You can always catch up and you can finish your subtopics and then go to your conclusion either at the end of the day or at another day. We all work at different paces in the classroom and at home. So if you're not exactly where you need to be, you can always ask me for help or ask me for some sort of assistance in the comments. That sounds good. Let's look at math today. Math has another warm-up that looks like your journal page, another video from me, and it's also more multiplication and division number story diagrams. So you should be able to kind of use what we've learned these past few days about them because it's the same type of problems. I believe in you. You can do it. And now for social studies, which I hope you're going to be so happy with. Ta-da! A fun Friday. If you click on this link, it's going to take you to a movie, not just a video of one of the teachers talking. Actual movie. And the topic of the movie is Pocahontas. So Pocahontas was not a Lenape Native American. She belonged to a different tribe, and you will learn all about that. And you're going to see how Native Americans affected when European settlers came. And you're definitely going to be learning about more of that in 5th grade. So it'll be a fun way to watch something cool. Okay, before I leave you today and see you live on our Google Meets for Friendship Friday, I want to remind you that over here we have our James and the Giant Peach Read to Me. Remember, I am reading the story to you, so please listen to it because on Monday I would love to discuss the book and where we're at. And then I can start reading more so you guys can enjoy more of a read aloud. All right, I'm super excited to see you soon. And I will also post a Flipgrid so we can ask questions today. And I will also make sure I'm in the comments. But I do want you to remember, since I am going to be in different groups today, if I don't respond to your questions as quickly, it's probably because I'm meeting with a friendship group. So try to do your best, try to problem solve on your own. And remember, I will always check in on the work at some point. Okay? Have an awesome day, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye.